The near south suburbs lifting into the city could be producing some winds upwards of 40 to 50 miles per hour. So the concern is still there for some active weather. Here's where we had the funnel clouds reported from Glen Ellen up towards Mount
Ooh.
Prospect earlier this afternoon. We also had a tornado warning out there in Kane County. This warm front still draped across the northern suburbs. So as these storms lift closer to that warm
The
front, there's
National Weather
still
Service in
a small
Chicago has
concern
issued
for
a
maybe a
severe
brief
thunderstorm
tornado.
warning
And
for East
additional
Central Will
severe
County
thunderstorm
in
warnings are
northeastern
certainly
Illinois,
possible too. We'll talk
southeastern
about it
Cook
for you.
County in
Talk about when
northeastern
we get rid of
Illinois,
this
northern Lake
nasty
County
weather.
in
Coming up in a
northwestern
few
Indiana
moments. Hey,
until
Larry, we'll see you then. Don't
6:45
forget, though,
p.m.
you can track the weather right
At
in your neighborhood
5:59
using our
p.m.,
live
a
download
severe
Cinemax radar.
thunderstorm
You
was
can
located
download the
near
free
Lowell, moving north at
887
45
Chicago's
miles
app
per
from the
hour.
App Store or Google Play, or
Hazard:
hit the QR
60
code there.
miles per hour wind
And
gusts
on the other
and
big
any
story
size
here
hail.
tonight, the deadly school
Source:
shooting in
radar
Texas.
indicated.
Authorities are now
Impact:
identifying the
expect
victims.
damage
These
to
are
roofs,
12 of the
siding, and
21
trees.
victims killed at the
Locations
school.
impacted
And tonight,
include
new information
Hammond,
from the
Gary,
investigation and
Tinley
also
Park, Oak
questions
Lawn,
about what the
Calumet
It's
shooting
not
City,
for
could
all
mean
the
to
Merrillville,
parts.
kickstart
Chicago
this.
All
Heights,
of this while
Roseland,
schools right
East
here in the
Chicago,
Chicago area are
Schererville,
tightening their
Hobart,
security in the wake
Lansing,
of that
Oak
attack
This
on
is
Forest,
not
Rockland
for
Park
all
Browns
the
School
Point,
in
parts.
Harvey,
Uvalde.
Highland,
That's about
Blue
80
Island,
miles west of San
Munster,
Antonio.
Dalton,
Well,
and
today,
Park
authorities
Forest,
confirming
including
19
the
children
following
and two
interstates:
faculty members were
Interstate
killed.
57 between mile
17
markers
others are hurt, including
336
3
and
law enforcement
356,
officers. All of those people
Interstate 80
are
between
expected to
mile markers
survive.
150
Authorities
and
saying there were no meaningful
155,
signs pointing to this attack
Interstate
from the
94
gunman
between
until
mile
about
marker
30 minutes
66 and
before
the
it happened,
74,
pointing to social media
Interstate
messages, but
294
those were
between
not
mile
revealed
marker
until
66
afterward.
and the
We have team
74,
coverage tonight of the investigation
Indiana
and reaction
Interstate
here
80
in
between
our
mile
area.
markers
Let's
1
start
and
with
12,
EAS7 investigator reporter
Indiana
Chuck Kelly.
Interstate
Chuck?
90 between mile markers 1 and 18,
Well, there is
Indiana
heartbreak and there are
Interstate
questions
65 between
tonight. The
mile
day
markers
after the terrible
247
attack at
and
Rock Elementary
261.
School in Uvalde,
This
Texas,
includes
emotions
Indiana
among
University
family
Northwest,
raw.
Purdue
Questions run
University
deep
Northwest
about the
Hammond, Windy
18-year-old
City
who did
Thunderbolts
it. His
Baseball,
motives, how he
Hollywood
prepared
Casino
for the armed
Amphitheater,
attack,
Governor State
whether it could have
University,
been prevented.
Indiana Motor Speedway,
We
Lake
see
County
those students
Fairgrounds,
are teaching.
Prairie State
That's when we
College,
start
South
shooting at
Shore
them.
Railcats
He is this
Baseball,
man,
and South
Salvador
Suburban
Ramos, on
College.
May 17,
For your
Tuesday last
protection,
week.
move to
The
an
day
interior
after he
room
turned
on the
18
lowest
years
floor
old,
of a building.
Ramos came to this outdoor gear store in Uvalde that has now replaced the gun section of its website with this
A
tribute